Hello, my beautiful friends. How are you all? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and my lovely fans, hope you will be fine. This is our YouTube channel and we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. Friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of printed bodycon dresses and scatter dresses designs for lovely women. My dear friends, these printed bodycon dresses and scatter dresses designs are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, these dresses are very comfortable and gorgeous that you can confidently wear them without any worry in formal or casual events. So friends and my lovely fans, I just want to request you, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any my video, just tell me in the comment section. So next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear viewers, whether you want to wear one for a night out on the town, during a shopping spree with friends, or on a hot date, these stunning designs are a one-size-fits-all solution for your fashion needs. And in the meantime, you own one of these stunning and gorgeous designs and you will love wearing it. So friends and my lovely fans, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, in this video you will see the wide range of dress designs for any occasions. Made your memories more special with one of our dress designs. It will add some more beauty and gorgeous look to your personality. Friends, to see all your favorite designs, watch the video till the end. My dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and I will wait for your kind comments. And thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you loved it. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Love you all guys.